시카고에서 열린 공연 소식을 전해드립니다. 박원정 PD입니다.
When I was a boy, my father gave me one of those air rifles, an air rifle. He said I could shoot all the blue jays I want, probably knowing I'd never be able to hit one, but to always remember that it was a sin to kill a mockingbird. A sin, a crime against God. I asked him why, and he said it was because they were innocent. And I became a lawyer.
하퍼리의 1960년 퓰리처 수상소설 앵무새 죽이기 To Kill a Mockingbird의 브로드웨이 연극 프로덕션이 시카고를 찾아왔습니다. 미국 현대 소설의 고전을 극작가 에론 소킨스가 각색하고 토니상을 수상한 바틀렛 쉐루가 연출해 2018년 첫 선을 보인 작품입니다. 엘러바마주 시골 마을의 성폭행 사건과 관련한 인종차별과 사회 문제를 조명하며 법적 공방을 중심으로 흥미진진한 스토리가 전개됩니다. 주인공 역인 에티커스 핀치 변호사의 역을 맡은 에미상 수상 배우 리처드 토머스와 뉴스매거진이 만났습니다.
To Kill a Mockingbird really is our story. It's a story of our aspirations to be a just people and how far short we fall of those aspirations. And what do we do when that happens? How do we move forward? Do we become cynical? Do we reevaluate our sense of community? Do we find out where we are in the problem and what we can do about it? And it's all told through the story of the loss of innocence of Scout Finch and her brother Jem, and how their eyes are opened to the way the world works. And that's our American story, and it always will be.
토마스는 1960년 소설의 이야기가 오늘날 우리와도 공감이 되는 스토리텔링이 되도록 노력했다고 밝혔습니다.
Aaron Sorkin has actually made him a man who has a lot to learn, and who learns a lot in the course of the play, and whose sense of community and his own virtue is all sort of deconstructed, as well as having a great sense of humor, which is wonderful for this part. So for me, what's important is to present Atticus as a man in a dilemma which the audience can identify with and take the journey with him, rather than just look up to him as someone to be admired. I just want him to be just a man, a decent man trying to do the right thing against really insurmountable odds.
억울한 성폭행 혐의로 재판에 넘겨진 흑인 톰 로빈슨의 역을 맡은 예이글 T 웰치는 이 연극을 통해 사회 불평등과 불의를 치유하고 싶다고 밝혔습니다.
Tom Robinson is a black man living in America, and I am a black man living in America. And he's experiencing racial injustice and social inequities. And I too have experienced those things. And I feel like playing a character like Tom Robinson sort of helps me give my life a sense of purpose, because I'm able to sort of combine my art and my passion for social justice in one, and hopefully contribute to the healing of social inequities and injustices happening in America.
초연 후 5년이 지난 앵무새 죽이기는 브로드웨이 연극 중 가장 높은 판매 수익을 기록한 작품입니다. 이번 프로덕션은 오는 일요일 8월 13일까지 CIBC 극장에서 총 8차례 공연합니다.
Please come see our story. It is something that is necessary for the time that we're in today. And I think you will leave a better person. You'll leave with a more empathetic mindset. And I think it's something that can sort of bring the community together, because when we see injustice, it's important for us all to act. And this play sort of encourages us all to do that. So we hope to see you guys out at our theater soon.
Hey, it's Richard Thomas, and I want to invite you to come see us in To Kill a Mockingbird, a wonderful, wonderful theatrical production of Harper Lee's great novel here in Chicago. Come see us. We'll give you a great night of theater. I promise.
시카고에서 뉴스매거진 박원정입니다.